How's that? You can definitely see me. This thing is really heavy. Just testing the vlogging. It is heavy. My hand's about to fall off. What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a quick test of this new light I got for my camera. I'm trying to upgrade my kit. This light is the Aputure Amaran AL-H198C LED camera video light. Let's get right into it. What I'm looking for is something that is portable, easy to use. I don't have to set it up. I don't have to set up these crazy light stands. I just want to film my videos really quick. I'm really lazy. So I want to mount it on the camera, but I also want something that will take batteries, that I don't have to buy extra batteries like the Sony rechargeable batteries. I can use AA batteries like this. Take 6 AA batteries. And I also want to be able to mount this microphone on top of it. So I just have one camera, one setup, so it's all easy to use, and I don't have to fiddle with a bunch of stuff, because whatever makes it easier for me to film will hopefully make it easier for me to actually make more movies and stuff like that. So nice case right here. Let's see how big this thing is. I don't want it to be too big. Okay, well, it's not too big. Not too bad. And right now I'm filming this with just my indoor regular lights. I closed the curtains so there's no daylight. And right now we're at, I think, f4 and 800 ISO and a shutter speed of 1/50. So I'll leave those settings and I'll test this out and see if it makes a big difference. And hopefully it does, because this was around $75 in Canada. I put my silica gels, hopefully it didn't explode. Put 6 AA batteries in here. You can adjust the brightness, move it up and down. There's a battery indicator, and what's really cool about this model, I think this is only in the 198C model, so the C I guess stands for color, is that you can change the color. And this is a bicolor, so that means half the LEDs are one color and the other half is the daylight color and the other half is the warmer, like a reddish color. And they change based on that. And if you get like in the middle, I think all the LEDs are on or something like that. We'll see. I heard a review that the AA batteries makes a pop and they might explode. So hopefully these batteries I got off Amazon that are rechargeable allow me to use it very often, and I don't have to buy more batteries or whatever. Got some manuals. We got a diffuser. Ooh, that's nice. And it only comes with one. Usually the other ones will come with 2 different gels, like a red one and a blue one. But since this has a multicolored switch, all you need is just one. So that's, this is the diffuser one, so that's not that bad. And then we got the mount, swivel mount. And yeah, that's it. So nice carrying case. There's a bunch of these little, I guess, cold shoe mounts, which hopefully allows me to mount this, which is a very important feature. I was going to get the smaller cousin to this. It's like a credit, I think it's the AL9 Amaran, correct me if I'm wrong. Basically, it's a credit-sized, super small, super portable, and you just use it, USB charger. I really wanted that. It was like $10 cheaper, but I think it wasn't as bright as this one. And to get your camera set up where you mount this on your camera and you mount this on top of your light, you would have to buy another, I think it's $15 or $10, dual cold shoe mount adapter, and I didn't want to spend more money. So if this gives me a better light and allows me to mount this without any paying extra accessories, I'm pretty happy with that. So look at that, what a cool setup right there. That is pretty damn cool. Okay, let's go test this up. I'm gonna put some batteries and mount this. Let's see. So I'm gonna turn this on. I'm so scared it'll explode. Ooh, how bright does it get? It doesn't get very bright, interestingly. This is lit on a warmer color, and this is it. Daylight. Okay, I guess it's kind of bright, but is it that much brighter? Is it bright at all? Maybe the batteries are weak. I'm not very impressed with how bright it is, even though it is pretty bright. You just flip it on or something. Cool. check the battery. Oh, it's only at 2 batteries. Maybe that's why it's not as bright. That's concerning because I charge these batteries for a long time. Kind of shocked that I'm at only at 2 batteries. This goes in increments of 25%. So right now I'm at half, and I thought I charged my AA battery. So I'm gonna report on the battery life because I was really curious and no one had answers. So yeah, you can see this is pretty bulky, but still pretty cool. You don't have this thing sticking out. I do think it is a little crazy to have this mounted though. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this in, put this on my camera. Hopefully my my tabletop tripod can hold this. This is like an extra 2 pounds or 3 pounds of the batteries inside here. So it's pretty heavy, it's pretty big. Not exactly the most portable solution, but it seems pretty sturdy. I realized that this thing, once you stick it in here, it's perma stuck and it's really hard to get out. So you pretty much have to rely on it being there, and that's okay. And what you do is you want to attach this here, screw it on, or you can screw this to like any other type of tripod, like this one here, and you can screw that on here, and then it can act as like, you can put it on any tripod and have it maybe as a tabletop kind of light. So you put that in there, and then this is actually not so bad. This is all made of metal. I like it. You attach this to your cold shoe mount on your camera, and you're good to go. Okay, so alas, I've mounted everything on, and I'm trying not to look at the light. It is pretty damn bright. Ow. I think this is around near maximum brightness. Seems pretty, I can't tell. It's hard to see the screen, so I hope this makes a difference. Please leave some comments down below if you see a difference, and that if my settings are good. I haven't changed the camera settings at all. Kept it all the same as last time. This is just with the light on. I've also attached the microphone to this side of the Aputure light, so that's pretty neat. I can have everything mounted together, and the extra weight, my tabletop tripod is still holding it, so I think that holds around 6 pounds. So I think hopefully with the camera, the batteries, all that stuff doesn't fall and breaks my nice camera. So if you want me to do more videos like this, or want to test more about this light, maybe in a really dark situation, just leave a comment down below and I'll do it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. I think I need to get the lighter light. This is too much.